once again for the Maglite podcast. And man, we have a fun contest going on, the Summer Swag giveaway. And last week we had Deltest / Ostrich chairs on the podcast. They're part of the giveaway. Really cool beach chairs. And of course, you can't be at the beach during the summer without something cold to drink. And what are you going to put it in? Well, we have somebody who has some advice for you along those lines. Shawn Hill joins us. I forget, what is your title on your business card? It's really awesome.
Officially Master Jedi Sales Ninja Blackest Belt is
There
the
you go.
official business card title. Yeah,
I I got
a little
handed that
long-winded.
business
I get a
card.
little, yeah.
I got handed that business card when we were at the show, and I was like, I've got to follow up with this guy because that's the coolest title that I've ever heard. So the Jedi Master Sales Ninja Blackest Belt joins us here. Shawn Hill from Liberty Bottles. Tell us about Liberty. By the way, I customized one of your bottles, as you can see, with a Maglite Panther head sticker, like I do with my stuff, with my laptop and other things. I get the Maglite Nation sticker on there. It looks really good on the black, and I understand
It does.
we have some Maglite product coming. We're going to be giving away.
Yeah, I believe you actually were supposed to get samples this morning, but they're going to be delivered this afternoon. And yeah, we do have a whole fun giveaway planned and ongoing. It started Sunday this week, so we got a lot of product getting out the door, and excited for this.
So, Liberty Bottles, tell me about the company.
Well, we were founded in 2010, and there was a call from REI, and they wanted originally, we want a metal American-made bottle, and there was nobody on the market doing it. So we're like, okay, well, let's see what we can do. And we took about a year, got the equipment made and custom made for us here in America, and started manufacturing bottles, started shipping bottles to REI December of 2010. That's kind of how we got our start, was catalog designs. And within a year, the demand for customized designs was so great that became, yeah, the majority of our business. And so we started printing. We do a full wrap, full color textured print, and then as well as laser engraving, where we can do personalized initials, or like this bottle here, we have the laser engraved logo on one side and then printing on the front.
That's
So we
beautiful.
can do some really fun stuff, and that's what I really enjoy about the company. It's no 2 days are ever the same. We deal with, just we get to serve a wide variety of customers, and I thoroughly enjoy that versatility of it, and the fact that we can customize anything. Sorry, go ahead.
You have bottles that are partially made and finished in the United States, and you also have a fully made in the
Correct.
USA line.
Correct. And we have both of those that we're giving away. We're really excited about them. The Liberty Original is made from recycled aluminum. It's 100% recycled, completely made in the USA. And it's not like a typical, when you think of aluminum can or light bottle, it is a lighter weight than stainless steel, but we use a really heavy duty 3003 grade, and then in the forming, really strengthen the sides, so it is as sturdy as a single wall stainless bottle, but much lighter weight, and yeah, made out of aluminum. So we're pretty excited. The
Well,
insulated bottles, yeah.
that's another thing that we share is quality manufacturing is important to both brands.
Yes.
You were going on about your other bottles.
Oh, no, I was just gonna say, and we take a lot of pride in what we make at our factory, because it's made from scratch. We bring in the coils of aluminum, everything is formed, cut, and we operate a zero waste, zero emission factory. So all the scrap is then collected, vacuumed up, and recycled, so that we really don't throw anything away and don't waste anything, and then comes back to us in coils of aluminum that we can reprocess as bottles.
That
With our
is that
insulated
is a
line,
big that is a big focus at Maglite as well. Is
that's
not
all. Yeah, I knew
putting
there was some
anything to waste.
similarities.
Yeah,
That's really neat.
absolutely. Now, I
Um,
understand you've had a Maglite like this. Well, sort of.
yes, yes,
This is actually the ML300L 4D, which is a very fairly new model, came out a couple of years ago. Obviously, it's LED, and Popular Mechanics reviewed it and said it's the last flashlight you'll ever buy.
Yep.
It's 4D cells. This is not a rechargeable model. This is an old school D cell powered. Now, the cool thing about this is not only will it throw 1,000 lumens, not only will it put useful light on something a quarter of a mile away. That's not me saying that, Maglite. That's in the Popular Mechanics review. Take this, turn it on, put it in eco mode, and go put it on a shelf and leave it there for 2 weeks. Come back, it's still going to be running. It will give you more than 2 weeks of battery life on a single set of 4D cell batteries. So we call it the ultimate survival light because, man, if you get stranded somewhere, it can throw 1,000 lumens. It can let somebody know where you are from a quarter mile away, and it'll last for 2 weeks in eco mode. So if you don't need it at high power, you can really extend the battery life. Okay,
That's
you
incredible.
had an old school one though that you've had forever.
I did it. I couldn't kill it. There's absolutely nothing that would kill it. I've had it 15 years, more than 15 years, because that's how long I've been married. Yeah, almost probably 17 years then. And yeah,
new
it's been
tagline. New tagline. Maglite lasts longer than many marriages.
Yeah, so I love it,
Mm-hmm.
dropped it, hiked it, camped with it. It's been just about everywhere and survived just about everything. So love
I
them.
get the feeling the Liberty bottles are the same way, that you could drop them, kick them, run them over, and
They do.
it's going to stay. Yeah. And obviously it keeps cold things cold and hot things hot.
They do.
So because of the
Yep.
insulation, that's a good tip. And of course, like I said at the beginning of the podcast, if you're going to have a summer swag contest, how are you going to do it without having something you can keep a cold drink in? So there you go.
Exactly.
That contest is ongoing right now. It's going to wrap up in a few days. And we are glad to be partnering with you, another company that tries to make it in the United States. Maglite manufactured in the USA, and it's very, very important to us. Plus, you're supportive of law enforcement and first responders, and that's very important to us too. It's a core value of the company. So
We do.
thank
We
you for
greatly
that.
appreciate their work. So anything we can do, we like to. So yeah, and thank you for the support. It's the ripple effect of not just the 35 to 50 jobs at Liberty Bottles, but then our metal supplier and our cardboard supplier, and much like Liberty, Maglite, it's not just the employees at Maglite, it's all the suppliers and the surrounding employees that it's really great to
Manufacturing
promote,
creates
and
an
we really
ecosystem.
appreciate. Yep.
Manufacturing creates an ecosystem of jobs. That's why it's so damn important that we do more of it in the United States. Shawn Bottles, I appreciate you being here and participating in our summer swag giveaway. Looking forward to seeing some of those Maglite bottles in real life. They looked really cool in design, and I'm excited about it. By the way, the fact that you can put any kind of engraving, logo, pictures on your lights, that's great. And I bet that's attractive to a lot of companies. It's a high quality product that they can give for performance or employee gifts or what have you. And we do the same thing. We have a whole engraving department that does a lot of that kind of work for corporations and police departments and other things that we support as well. So thank you, Shawn, for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you, guys. Take care. Have a great day.
You too. Lou Desmond here for the Maglite Podcast. Until next time.